As the U.S. healthcare system continues to struggle with accessibility issues, the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council is doing something to provide a fix here in Kansas City and throughout the Midwest.
Welcome and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are honored that you are with us today to celebrate the ribbon cutting and functionality of the Kansas City Wellness Center. The journey we celebrate today began and dates back to March of 2017. The goal was simple: to provide a value to the members of the Carpenters Union.
I feel like this is Christmas, to be honest. It's been a long time coming, and it's been something that our members have deserved.
Even before I retired, it was in the works and it was talked about, but I still never thought it would ever happen. This is just amazing. It's great.
I don't think it's any secret that the carpenters out there in the field have a tough job.
Construction, especially carpentry, it's so hard on your body, and you need to take care of yourself.
You're up and down stairs, you're walking all over a job site, you're picking up heavy objects, moving it over to another place on the job site. The fast-paced environment, so there's always stresses on the back, the knees, the shoulders, the elbows, any joint you got.
The Carpenters Wellness Center will be a place where anyone who works for or is a family member of the Carpenters can come to receive various types of health care.
The struggles that I had with the healthcare industry, I think most people have had. As a guy in general, I tend to not want to go to the doctor. And so if there's any little hiccup, any little reason to then I won't.
I remember when I was young, I was the same way. I didn't go to the doctor as often as I want, but as I got older, I realized that in order to stay healthy and stay working, I needed to stay on top of things.
Across our council, we have seen firsthand how valuable these healthcare centers are for our members and their families. They provide convenient, high-quality care without long wait times, rushed visits, and unexpected bills. We're leading the charge and going above and beyond what we think is possible in healthcare delivery.
Here, care is 100% covered. So they have no deductibles, they have no out-of-pocket.
It truly shows the trustees' dedication to the membership, because these things do cost money, but the real return on investment that we see is healthier members and their families.
We are so excited to have this wellness center open. We couldn't be happier about what it's going to help provide for our members and their families.
The plan is to cover the whole person. We want to make sure that we are looking at people as a whole. So we want to provide whole care for them.
It is really a great day to celebrate the KC Wellness Center. I've attended a few health center openings, and I can't stress enough how valuable these facilities are to our members and their families. KC Wellness Center is no exception. It will deliver kind of patient-centered health care our members deserve.
And who has the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council teamed up with to bring this healthcare center to life?
The Carpenters Wellness Center is being run by a company called Premise Health. We will be providing all of the services to the clients.
We believe that great outcomes come from great access to primary care.
We've been working with MACRC since 2018. We're extremely proud of the relationship, and we do believe that it's going to continue to grow.
And through our partnership with Premise Health, we are ensuring that our members have access to top-tier medical services.
With the facility dedicated solely to carpenters and their families, the healthcare team will be uniquely equipped to treat tradespeople.
Knowing that our client list will be members of 315 and their families, I think that that's going to give us the opportunity to be able to see the doctor in a more timely fashion.
We just think it's really fulfilling when you're able to provide great primary care to all those union members and their dependents.
It's about outcomes, right? About healthcare outcomes. That's what this facility provides. It's really about our members being healthy.
The majority of professionals throughout our industry said this facility will never open. But as labor leaders and people who look out for their membership, we weren't taking no for an answer.
We are taking care of each other.
And it really is a testament to everybody in the Mid-America's Regional Council who never gave up when everybody in the world said we'll never open this facility. But we stood our course. And today, we will allow our carpenters and their families to utilize a brighter future and a healthier working carpenter and his family. So with that, brothers and sisters, I'd like to welcome you to your Kansas City Health and Welfare Center.
If this wellness center is any indication of where the United Brotherhood of Carpenters is taking us into the future, I think we're in good hands.